For many of our refugees, they've lived in refugee camps, sometimes up to 20 years, and sleeping on donated cots or mattresses on the ground. And so to be able to come to the United States and walk into your home for the first time and see a brand new bed just meant the world to these clients.
My job is to be sure that all the families get their furniture, their food, the homes totally set up before they arrive. So I can see the big difference between like when they receive a brand new beds and how that affects their life.
نعم، الفراش مريح، بالنوم مريح، بس حجم السرير صغير وخشبه رقيق، يعني كأنك انت بفضل انه يكون اوسع والحجم الخشب اسمك. بس هاي يعني ملاحظاتي له، وهو بس مريح كفراش مريح.